Good morning, guys. How you guys doing? The sun is out. So when the sun is out, make you feel better. Make you feel way better because the sun is out. I don't like when it's rainy and it's dark and wet. You don't feel like you're living. But when the sun is out, make you feel like you're living, huh? Yeah, folks, so this morning, I'm here early this morning because my son, he went on the trail to go a ride, and he lived like 8 miles away from me. So I thought it was going to get easier when he moved out. But it got worse because you know why? Daddy, can you come and fix this for me? This happened to my house, or this blah, blah. Man, I said, man, I thought it was going to get easier when they move out, but it get worse. Yeah, you know when the kids are young, you got to do everything for them and all that stuff. And sometimes you say, well, I can't wait until they grow up so they could be on their own and do what they got to do for themselves. But no, it get worse when they get bigger. You know, he got a flat on his bike, and then he bring it over here. Daddy, can you fix this for me? I said, well, look, you got to learn to do your stuff yourself. I said, what happens if you go on a ride 10, 20 miles? What's going to happen? Well, you're right, but I was close by, so I'll bring it by so you could help me. That's just stuff. The three of them is like that. You know what the problem is? Me and my wife, we spoil them. I always tell them that. We spoil you guys. We spoil them to the point that they don't want to move on.
Winnie? Did you throw some of that chicken broth on your trees or something? Because the dogs didn't want to come in just now.
Yeah, true. I take the chicken broth and throw it on the tree because they have some manure or whatever, vitamin to the roots.
It gives vitamin to the tree?
I think
but
so.
Then the dogs are over there eating dirt.
If they want to get dirty, it's all right.
What did you do today?
Stay in the kitchen all day tasting your powder bun, your sample powder bun and stuff like that.
You didn't stay in the kitchen all day. You stay out of the kitchen all day.
Well, that's what I stay out and in because every minute you call me, come and taste this. Come and hold this for me. Come and do this for me. So
I asked you one time to come hold the camera for me. One time.
You sure?
You trying to play like you Simone Biles' husband or something. Don't you think that's stupid? What's your opinion on that? So this guy is light-skinned, light-eyed or whatever. She's darker. She's beautiful, right? And he's not bad-looking either. But the way he talked, like, I didn't know her. He said that he didn't have NBC in his house when he was growing up. Everybody got NBC because you old people have an antenna.
Look,
why do you think he pretend not to know her?
Because he thinks he's cuter than her.
So he thinks he's the catch in this.
Right. That's all. You want to tell me you're in sports and that little girl in the sports room, you don't know nothing about her? Please, come on.
You know, my dad's an Olympian because what makes you an Olympian is not just to get picked for the team, I heard. It's you actually participated. You competed.
Right.
So you know my dad competed in 1968 when the Olympics were held in Mexico for cycling. He didn't win bronze, silver medal, whatever, right? But he participated. He competed. And he's the one that did it. And people still shower glory on us, his children. You know, because my friend, you know what I'm talking about. Every time he talks to me, he's like, you came out of royalty. You just don't understand. That's royalty. So to me, Simone Biles came out of royalty. And for him to act like, oh, I don't know her. To me, he wanted to diminish her. It kind of reminded me like when, after my mom passed, how my dad tried to diminish her by saying she never worked.
That's the problem with when two people get together that is famous. After a while, they never work because everybody want to do their own separate thing. And
well, he's not even famous. He didn't even get picked for teams until I think till recently he got picked for some team or something.
Oh, okay.
He's nothing as far as I'm concerned. These beautiful black girls get with these foolish men that and stop their bags. You know what I mean?
And I got all the money in the world. Think anybody take care of me? Sure, come on.
He need to recognize who the heck he is.
You heard?
So what do you want your people to know for Vlogmas Day 23? You only have tomorrow left, Day 24.
Folks, I got one more day and I can't wait because it's draining me. You look at my eyes, look how my eyes look. Look, see? Look.
Well, guess what, Joe? Your people love you.
My eyes keep closing on me, but they keep pushing me. You got to do this next one, the next one. And
I sure did. I cracked the whip.
And I can't think sometimes.
You can't create.
Folks, thank you guys so much for subscribing, sharing, and like. And like I say all the time, without you guys, I can't do it. I need you guys. So thank you guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.